Hello again. So today's a big day. We're heading to the track. Just me and Pete today. John has some family stuff going on, so he can't make it. One big thing is we are really challenging the weather today. Forecast is calling for rain creeping up in the afternoon. Well, it's gonna rain beyond 3, but we don't know when it's gonna really start. It's gonna be this on or off stuff, or we're really gonna get hit hard with a wall. Hopefully get at least 2, hopefully 3 runs in, and 80 pounds for the entry fee. That's a little bit more than $100 just to hopefully get 3 runs at the best. But this is what I got to deal with over here. So the event we're going to is called the Mopars. So it's a great venue over here in England at Centipede Raceway. It's all like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday thing. Today's just Sunday, and we're just catching the tail end of it. Hopefully a lot of people will be going home tired from the weekend, and it'll free up some time at the track for Run What You Brungs. So because they're doing a lot of events today, a lot of American cars, so it's kind of a really cool place to go, even if it's just held by the Mopars guys, but there's plenty of Ford and Chevys. So hopefully get a good run in. We're hoping for some great times. It'll be cool. It means we're gonna, the track's gonna be prepped to kill from the event this weekend, so I'm gonna be launching aggressively. So is Pete, and we're both hoping for some good numbers today. So we're here. It is wet. You can see the puddles in the cars. So hopefully they get things cleaned up. Get the car off the trailer. I gotta get my wheels and tires on. It is 9 o'clock. They should, I don't know when they're gonna start racing, but Run What You Brung was scheduled for 10:05. Who knows if they're gonna be ready. There'll be a little push to the right. And hopefully the rain stays away enough we get some runs in. So. All right, it's 11:45. We were supposed to run the first Run What You Brung at 5 after 10, so they're running very far behind because of the weather today. I'm gonna give it a go because I'm only gonna get like 2 runs today based on the timeline and the weather rolling in. So sadly we don't have any outside car cameras. Nobody in the bleachers today. So Pete and I just got our internal GoPros, and we're gonna try to see what we can get. So I gotta be aggressive if I want to see a 10 today. Hopefully the track prep is good. I got 14.5 PSI in the rear tires. The 2-step set for 4,500, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully I can remember to turn the camera on and do the data log before I get going. Oh boy, it's changed already.
To see the rim held back here, and obviously good luck with solo home as well. Actually, hope you've got something else lined up though. So that's like nice 10.90, 129. That was a bit of a sleeper. Wasn't expecting that. 13.47 at 100. John Sport has been in touch as well. Tuned in from rainy Cornwall. John, you can keep the rain down there, mate, please. As we are dry here at the moment. The birthday boy from yesterday, Mr. Ian Smith with the Morris Minor, going alongside the Mustang. Okay, two quick cars, both in the 11s, 45 for Ian, 11:35 for the Mustang. Right, now we're going to have some proper.
All right, we're going to try to get one more run in where the rain comes down. Gonna get lined up. Cross your fingers. First run was really good. It was a 1091 at 130. So that's my first 10 for the old coupe here. So I'm very pleased. So I can stop now and be good. We're gonna give it another shot. See if I can get a better launch, because my launch is what's really hurt me. And then let's get lined back up for another go. Out. They're farting around. We get another chance to get another run. Seemed even better. I wondered if my red line is stopping living in my mile per hour.
Time to proper Fords here. So you've got the Mustang LX, which went way quicker than I expected it to when I first saw it. So I now know that this isn't here just to go for a Sunday afternoon drive. 1080, 128 mile an hour, 696 at 100 mile an hour at the 8th. Very impressive indeed. The other Mustang goes 50. Another LX Mustang. You don't see any, and then all of a sudden you get two at once. I'll tell you what, the Mustang in, let them get away too much.
Alright, heading home after a good day at the track for me anyway. So personal best 10.8 at a 128. And yeah, Pete had a little problem. His car was misfiring, but unfortunately we couldn't get a data log because he did a me where he forgot this first run he forgot to start the data log. Second run he started the data log, but he realized he didn't have the SD card in. So we don't have any data to try to figure out what the problem is. So we're gonna need to do hopefully some other troubleshooting, figure his car out. Maybe that's what we'll do on Wednesday night. But we did pull a couple plugs and they look good. So we gotta see what we're gonna chase down, whether it be fuel or ignition. But yeah, heading home before the rain starts. Big line of death is coming in. So probably going to catch me before I get home. But yeah, I don't think we're not going to improve anymore on the day. So let's get out while the getting's good, and I'll finish up. I'll show you. I can show you some Pete's. I wish we had some outside car footage. Hopefully, it's hot. I'm gonna see if anybody got a video of my runs. A lot of people coming by, you know, as I'm swapping putting the street tires back on to congratulate me, you know, and for getting into 10s. But yeah, I didn't have anyone in the stands to take a video, so we'll see what rocks I can turn over to see if somebody recorded it and posted it up. So with that, guys, just a quick track day vid. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys soon in another video.